In the previous video, we have seen that hydrocarbons have been classified into open chain hydrocarbons and closed chain hydrocarbons. Now, closed chain hydrocarbons are called as cyclic hydrocarbons or as arenes also. Now, let us look into the closed chain hydrocarbons. Now, closed chain hydrocarbons, why the name is given as closed chain? Because here the carbon atoms are arranged in the form of rings. Closed chain hydrocarbons are again classified into aromatic and alicyclic. Aromatic hydrocarbons, these are also called as arenes, and the term aromatic, why we are using, because it gives a peculiar smell. That means that these type of hydrocarbons have got a peculiar smell. There is an example of aromatic hydrocarbon that I have taken here is that of benzene. Now let us look at the structure of benzene. Benzene has got 6 carbon and 6 hydrogen atom, as you can see in the formula that is written here. Now if you look at the structure of the benzene which I have drawn here, you can see 6 carbon atoms are arranged in a 6-membered ring, that is in the form of a closed ring. The structure you can see. In this ring, the carbon atoms are bonded by alternate single and double bond. That is, you can see that this is a closed ring and each carbon atom is attached to each other. 6 carbon atoms I have, and they are arranged in these carbon atoms are arranged with alternate double and single bond. That is, alternate means here one double bond is there, then one single bond, then double bond, single bond, double bond, in this manner. Okay, so you can see that the valency of carbon is satisfied by double bond as well as single bonds also. Okay, now benzene, you can say that this is having a structure similar to that of alkenes. Okay, because it is having a double bond inside this. But this is not similar to alkene. Why we don't include it in alkene? Because first thing, that this is a cyclic compound, that it is a closed structure. The other thing is that when you burn the benzene, then it burns with a sooty flame, whereas alkenes have got, they don't burn with a sooty flame. Flame means that when you are burning, it will give a blackish type of fumes outside. So this characteristic is shown by benzene. But alkenes, they are not burning with a non-sooty flame. Now let's come to the other part, that is alicyclic. Now look at the characteristic of alicyclic hydrocarbon. These are non-aromatic. That means that no smell is given out. बेंजीन को अगर आप सूंघते हो तो एक बहुत अच्छी प्लेजेंट स्मेल आती है, जैसे नेल पॉलिश रिमूवर की आती है. पर एलिसाइक्लिक हाइड्रोकार्बन्स, दीज आर नॉन अरोमेटिक, दैट इज नो smell is there. The carbon atoms are arranged in a 3 or more than 3-membered ring. That means that the hydrocarbons, that as you have seen in this case, that these are having similar structure like that of alkenes. Here this is having similar structure like that of alkene. But the difference, what is the difference, children, here? That it is a closed compound. That is why this is given the name cyclopropane. A and E indicates that it is similar to that of alkane. Okay. And benzene, the name is similar. E and E means that the structure is similar almost to alkene. Okay. Now if you look at this structure, that is C3H6 cyclopropane, it is an alicyclic hydrocarbon. First thing, in this molecule, the carbon atoms are arranged in a 3-membered ring whose tetravalency is being satisfied by single bonds. That means that each carbon atom is covalently bonded to other carbon atom and hydrogen atom. Clear? That is by means of covalent bonds, one carbon atom is attached to other carbon atom as well as other 2 hydrogen atoms. So these are alicyclic hydrocarbons. So I think this is clear now.